Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the SQL Select statement. So the SQL Select statement is used to retrieve or fetch data from a database object. It could be a database table or a view. In this example we are going to use this sample database called AdventureWorks. This is a sample database provided by Microsoft and is free for you to use. If you want to learn how to use this database, you can watch my previous video. I'm also going to put the link in the description below. So we're going to query one of the tables in this AdventureWorks database. So we're going to go ahead and open the tables and view what tables we have. In this example, we are just going to use the person.person table. So the select statement is really used if you want to see like what's inside of this table. So in this example, person is the table name and person is the schema. And we want to make sure we are connected to the right database. So here, we can select our database that we want to query. So just select AdventureWorks. So here's the syntax for it. Select star from person.person. And then we are going to click on execute. So the select star is going to select everything from the table. So we're pretty much saying select everything from person table within the person schema. So here you can see we have 19,000 records, right? Also, if you don't want to select the database from here, you can also use the use statement. Use AdventureWorks. And then write your query here. So this is the same thing as selecting it from here. So if you execute now, you're going to get the same thing. So we are selecting everything from person's table. So in this example, we have 19,972 records in this person table. Now let's say if you only want to select a few columns within that table. So this table has all of these columns: business entity, person type, name style, title, first name, middle name, last name, and all of these columns. And these are the rows. So we have 19,972 rows. So let's say if you only want to select a few columns, for example, if you only want to select the first name and the last name, we can just do, instead of the star, we can say first name, comma, last name. So if you execute this, we are only going to get the first name and the last name in the person table. So here's the syntax for the select statement. Select from table name. And you can put the column names here. Column name 1, column name 2. And it could be your first name, last name, and so on. So this is going to pull the columns you mentioned here from this table. And if you want to pull everything from the table, you can use the star statement. This is going to pull everything within that table. I'm also going to provide both the queries I used in the description below, so you can try running it yourself. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.